Weak hair causes hair fall, split ends, and breakage that eventually lead to thinning hair. Shiny Leaf has the natural solution to help you restore thick and healthy strands of hair that's more resilient to breakage. It's our best-selling cold-pressed castor oil. In this video, we are going to show you 3 different ways on how to use it for hair growth. Castor oil is rich in hair nutrients like omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, vitamin E, and protein. That's why it became a favorite natural remedy for hair issues. We made our bottle bigger. Our cold-pressed castor oil is now available in 16-ounce version. It's 4 times the regular size, but with huge savings on the price. Okay, we don't want to keep you waiting, so here are the 3 best ways to use castor oil for hair growth. Let's go straight to number 1. Apply directly to scalp. Simply pour a decent amount of castor oil on a small container. Dip your finger, then pat your roots and edges with fingertip to apply. If you have the 4-ounce version, it comes with a glass dropper to help target the roots of your hair on your scalp. Number 2. Add to hair products. Try adding a few drops to your regular hair care products like your daily shampoo. Simply remove the cap and add desired amount of castor oil. Replace the cap and shake the bottle to mix well. Use your shampoo as usual. It's so easy and convenient. Number 3. DIY hair mask treatment. Create a DIY hair mask for a nourishing hair treatment. Mix equal parts of castor oil and coconut oil. Add 2 to 3 drops of essential oils like rosemary or lavender oil for added aroma. For an extra kick of freshness, add 2 to 3 drops of eucalyptus or peppermint oil. Then warm the mixture in a large bowl of hot water. Leave for 2 to 4 minutes and voila! Your castor oil hair mask is ready to use! This recipe is best for your weekend me time. For more DIY hair care tips and recipes, check out the Shiny Leaf blog. We publish regular hair care and skincare tips for your fabulous beauty routine. Oops! Before we go, here's a bonus tip for you, making it our tip number 4. Apply to eyelashes and eyebrows. Just pour a small amount of castor oil on a shallow container. Both our 16-ounce and 4-ounce variants come with a mascara wand. Dip it on the oil and tap off excess. Then apply castor oil on your eyelashes and eyebrows. Do this every night before going to bed, and soon you'll get that fierce eyes you've always wanted. Have you tried any of these methods? Do you have other recipes you want to share? Maybe you have some questions. Tell us in the comments and we'll be happy to respond. Shiny Leaf Castor Oil is USDA certified organic, pure, and unrefined. Many customers have tried and testified great results. And we are overwhelmed by your feedback and reviews.
I can honestly use one product from head to toe and it just helps everything.
Get it for 15% off from the link in the description. All orders come with free US shipping, 30-day money-back guarantee, and a bonus gift for first-time purchases. Have you heard how castor oil makes the skin flawless? Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss when we talk about that next time. And follow us on social media for more Shiny Leaf updates. Thanks for watching, and share this video with your friends because sharing is caring.
Shiny Leaf. Look good, love yourself.